In iOS 14, it allows you to change the icons on any application. And today I'm going to show you how to do that. So go ahead and scroll all the way to the side here, and you want to search for the shortcuts application. Once the application opens, we want to click on the select plus here. We want to select add action. In the search field, we want to select for the action called open app, and then you click the open app. In the scripting section, you want to select choose, and today I'm going to be doing the messages app, so I'm going to select messages, and then I'm going to click the three dots here. I'm just going to create a name for the shortcut, and then from here you could click done. So once everything looks good, you could go back to the three dots and then click on add to home screen. In here you can modify the name if you like, and to change the icon you want to press the icon here, and it presents you a couple of options. In this case you want to do choose photo, but before you do so, go to Safari. And I go to this website, flaticon.com, and let's say if you want to search for a messages icon, you could do so. And any icon that you see here that you like and doesn't need any attribution, you could go ahead and select it. So let's say if you want to do something simple like this one here, or if you want color, you could go ahead and select this one, and then click on the three dots and select download PNG. You do free download. From here, what I like to do is I like to click view, and then you could long press the screen, and then this option should come up, and then you add it to the photos. From here you go back to your shortcuts application, and it should take you back to where you left off. So in here you would do choose photo, and then from here you basically select an icon that you downloaded previously. So if you want to go ahead and do this one, and then you click choose here on the bottom. Alright, so if everything looks good, you will go ahead and click add. So you got added to the home screen. So if we take a look here, you're gonna see the messages app got modified. So if I wanted to, you could remove the original app and then put the shortcut in, and that's basically how it will look. And once you open the shortcut, it's gonna open the shortcut and take you to your messages screen. Alright, so that's how you edit an icon in iOS 14. If you have any questions, leave your comment below, and please subscribe.